Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I will show how I use a knife in oil painting. Brush and the knife can be used alternately, and the knife can be used to supplement the parts that have been brushed while retaining the flowery of the knife. The knife has a free and relaxed effect. First, you can use a knife to quickly remove the unnecessary parts. Because I changed the background of the painting, I needed to remove some flowers to make the layout of the pictures more orderly, and the knife could do quickly. Second, outlining the shape. Use the side of the knife to draw the edge line and outline the outline of the vase. Pay attention to the amount of the paint on the knife. Too much paint will make the lines bloated, and too thin paint will not draw the ideal edge line. Third, depicting the details. The painting is the focus of this painting. Use a knife to apply the dark color first, and then apply the light color after it is completely dry. There is a flying white effect, and the color of the first layer can be seen. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, keep following, and give a comment.